Hey guys, and welcome back to Planet Bollywood. My name is Manish and I'm here with all the latest, most updated news from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before we kickstart the show, I'm going to remind you to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. On that note, here are our top stories. Tiger and Disha spotted as they returned from a holiday in Dubai. Kareena says Saif is a supportive, understanding husband. Neha Kakkar reveals that the universe conspired to help her and Rohanpreet meet. Diljit Dosanjh shuts down Kangana Ranaut's rhetoric again, says, I don't owe you an explanation. Kareena and Taimur spotted together as they spend time with their family. जहां जहां टाइगर जाते हैं उसी दिशा में हम दिशा को भी पाते हैं. After a rumored holiday together in the Maldives, the good-looking twosome was spotted exiting the airport in Mumbai after attending an event in Dubai. Guys, Tiger and Disha are one of those couples in Bollywood who remain in denial about their relationship. अब वो क्यों नाना करते हुए प्यार कर रहे हैं ये तो हमें पता नहीं, but it seems like Disha is also bonding fabulously with Tiger's family as well. Now she's very close to Tiger's mom and sister and is often spotted taking holidays with Tiger's family. So when will they finally publicly declare their love for each other? Well, ये तो हमें पता नहीं, but for now, check out the story. Disha joined Tiger and the Shroff family as they headed off to Dubai to attend a sporting event. After a short stay, Tiger and Disha headed back to Mumbai and were spotted exiting the airport by the paparazzi, who were waiting to catch a glimpse of the two together. While Disha and Tiger didn't share any pictures of themselves together, fans realized that they were in Dubai together when they posted individual updates from the same hotel on their social media handles. ये है denial में होने की सबसे बड़ी निशानी. Act like your fans won't put two social media posts together and make चार बातें about it. Even when the two were holidaying in the Maldives recently, they didn't share any pictures together but posted multiple photos of themselves enjoying the fabulous beaches and resorts. But looks like khabar phail gayi that Tiger and Disha were holidaying together. The couple, who were dressed casually for their flight back, were captured exiting the airport together and leaving in the same car. The couple paused to wave to the paps before leaving the airport. While Disha didn't post any pictures from the event they were attending, she did send the internet into a meltdown by sharing a stunning sun-kissed photo of herself in a pink dress. The bodycon outfit perfectly accentuated her toned physique, and the actor looked super glamorous with minimal makeup and accessories. Disha posed while holding on to a pillar that seems to be a part of a larger corridor or veranda, and her effortless sensuality sent her fans into a frenzy. Tiger, हम तो कहते हैं अपने दिल की बात कह दीजिए and declare your love for each other. क्या पता कहीं कोई और दिशा का दिल चुरा के ना ले जाए. Kareena Kapoor Khan has been in the industry for over 2 decades now, and over the years we have seen her in multiple avatars, shapes and sizes. From a feisty young 20-year-old to a matured seasoned actor, and of course a wife and mom. From Pooh to Rosie, from Geet to Chameli, Kareena has played so many different kinds of characters in her long career. While she has always been a commercial filmmaker's delight, she has proven that if a role demands it, she can totally transform herself into any offbeat character as well. While there was a time back in the day when marriage and family usually shortened a female actor's career, Kareena has juggled her professional and personal commitments perfectly, and with the support of her literal Prince Charming, Kareena is only going from strength to strength. Take a look. Kareena has really evolved as an artist and as an individual. After spending several months in lockdown as per the rules, Kareena has been busy fulfilling work commitments as soon as the government allowed shoots to begin. While she has always been someone who treated working while being pregnant or being a mom as a fairly normal thing, to work while being pregnant through a pandemic, that's something special. When asked about whether she made a conscious choice to work and set an example, Kareena said कि उनका मिसाल बनाने का कोई इरादा नहीं है. She shared that her personality is such कि वो सिर्फ घर पे बैठकर आराम नहीं कर सकती. She loves her job and working keeps her happy. Bebo also asked a valid question कि ऐसा कहाँ लिखा है कि एक प्रेग्नेंट औरत या एक माँ काम नहीं कर सकती. इनफैक्ट जितना फिट और खुश माँ रहेगी, फैमिली और बेबी भी उतना खुश रहेगा. Bebo says that she has always been proud about being a working mother, and whether it's traveling with Taimur or balancing work schedules to his schedules, she has taken the challenges in her stride. But while she has perfected the art of time management and multitasking, she gives Saif full credit for being a supportive husband and wonderful father. Bebo का कहना है that since Saif comes from a family where his mother, sisters, daughter and wife are all strong, independent women, he has a deeper understanding of what women want. He is supportive of her career and gives her the space to be herself and pursue her dreams, and Bebo gives Saif's mom, Sharmila ji, full marks for raising a wonderful son. Bebo also shared her thoughts on the recent discussion about women getting leave on certain days of the month when they experience discomfort or are in a lot of pain. करीना ने अपना ओपिनियन देते हुए कहा कि हर औरत के लिए ये मंथली अकरेंस और उससे रिलेटेड डिस्कम्फर्ट अलग होता है. So while it may be a personal choice of whether or not to take leave, employers should be sensitive to the fact that women may need additional rest on certain days of the month. We love your spirit and frankness, Bebo. It's amazing to see you power through challenges, and I'm sure it's going to set a great example for your son and baby number 2 about just how strong and capable women are. Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh have been setting couple goals ever since their dream wedding. But Neha has just revealed a big secret about their love story that was unknown to her fans all these days. Neha and Rohanpreet met when they were shooting for the video of the song Nehu Da Vyah, and let me tell you, she was mighty impressed with the respectful way he treated everyone on set and of course his demeanor. She knew right then that he was the man that she wanted to spend the rest of her life with, and what followed was a grand wedding and a lavish honeymoon before they returned back to Mumbai to spend life together as man and wife. But was meeting Rohanpreet just a coincidence, या फिर उनके मिलने के पीछे पूरी कायनात का हाथ था? Take a look. Neha and Rohanpreet are a beloved couple on social media, and though it's been almost 2 months since they got married, their friends can't seem to get enough of this romantic couple. While you know that they met on the sets of a video shoot and fell in love, what you don't know is that destiny also seems to have played its part in joining their hearts. In a recent interview, Neha ने अपने और रोहनप्रीत की लव स्टोरी से जुड़ा एक बड़ा राज खोला when she revealed the connection between the lockdown Nehu Da Vyah and her meeting Rohanpreet. You heard that right. नेहा ने अपनी लव स्टोरी के बारे में बात करते हुए कहा कि लॉकडाउन के दिनों में जब वो घर पर थी, she was trying to find ways to keep herself busy. एक दिन जब वो अपने कमरे में अकेली बैठी थी, the idea of Nehu Da Vyah came to her and she started writing and composing the song. नेहा के सिबलिंग्स सोनू और टोनी कक्कर ने भी उनकी हेल्प की एंड बिफोर दे न्यू इट अ सॉन्ग हैड बीन कंपोज्ड। लेकिन नेहा के लिए ये सिर्फ एक गाना नहीं था। It was a wish, a dream to find the man who would become her partner for life. Neha shared that as she wrote the lyrics of Nehu Davya, she poured her heart's desires into it, filling it with hope and optimism, little realizing कि उनकी दुआ बहुत जल्द कबूल होने वाली थी। The song changed her life forever. गाने के लिए जब वीडियो शूट करने का वक्त आया, she met Rohanpreet on the sets, and the rest, as they say, is their love story. The couple recently appeared on TV together for the first time after their wedding, और बातों के दौरान नेहा ने बताया that initially Rohanpreet was a bit worried about getting married at the age of 25. लेकिन फिर उन्हें भी रियलाइज हुआ कि नेहा ही वो थी जिनके साथ वो अपनी पूरी जिंदगी बिताना चाहते थे। He convinced her he was serious about his decision to marry her, और बस फिर क्या था, मियाँ बीवी भी राजी और पेरेंट्स भी। And after a whirlwind romance, the couple was married in grand style. Every love story is different and special, and we hope that Neha and Rohanpreet's bond lasts forever after.
मैं भी बोल रहा हूं सर, फिर बाद में गूगल ना करना पड़े।
फिर छिड़ी है जंग कंगना, दिलजीत और प्रियंका की। कंगना ने जब दिलजीत पे ये इल्जाम लगाया कि वो किसानों को भड़काकर गायब हो गए हैं, तो दिलजीत ने रिस्पॉन्स में कहा कि किसानों पर इल्जाम लगाने से पहले कंगना जी को शर्म आनी चाहिए। Kangana Ranaut has been on warpath with multiple people from the world of cinema, politics and social media this year. She has angered colleagues from within the industry, upset the local Maharashtra government, and made sweeping comments about the state of the Hindi film industry, which she often refers to as Bollywood. After voicing her opinions incessantly in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, Kangana has now taken a pro-government stance in the farmers' protest that has taken the country by storm. And this now has ruffled some more feathers. Take a look. After many heated and nasty words were exchanged between them once, it looks like Diljit and Kangana are headed for a second round in the verbal boxing ring. Kangana has been sharing multiple posts targeting Diljit and Priyanka Chopra Jonas, who are some of the most popular celebrities lending support to the farmers who are protesting. But Kangana has not taken kindly to this pro-protest stand. The actor who accused an aged lady at the farmer protest of being the same woman who was also present at a protest rally in Delhi has been on a warpath with Diljit after he shared a news report and accused her of spreading fake news. In her most recent series of posts, Kangana has asked Diljit कि आखिर उन्हें नए बिल और लॉ से क्या प्रॉब्लम है और क्यों वो इसके खिलाफ है। Diljit, who has been responding with equally angry posts, has now retorted in Punjabi and said that he doesn't owe Kangana an explanation and that she should stop obsessing over him. She has attacked Diljit and Priyanka repeatedly on social media yet again, accusing them of fanning the fires of the protest and then disappearing. Taunting both Diljit and Priyanka, Kangana ने अपने पोस्ट में लिखा, I want that Diljit Dosanjh and Priyanka Chopra, who have been seen as local revolutionaries by the farmers, should at least make one video for the farmers on what they should be protesting. After provoking farmers, both have now disappeared and now look at the condition of the farmers and the country. While Priyanka has not responded to Kangana's attacks against her, Diljit isn't taking these barbs in silence. The singer immediately retorted and asked, "Forget about disappearing, but who gave her the right to decide who's a traitor or nationalist of this country? Where is this authority coming from? Before calling farmers traitors of this country, have some shame at least." जंग को जारी रखते हुए कंगना ने फिर सोशल मीडिया पर वार किया, टैगिंग दिलजीत एंड प्रियंका इन अनदर पोस्ट. Kangana questioned Diljit and Priyanka about whether they have considered the consequences of their support to the farmers and mentioned supposedly huge economic losses the country is facing because of these protests. She wrote, "Cost of farmers' protests so far 70,000 crores. Diljit Dosanjh and Priyanka Chopra, you understand our actions have serious consequences. Please tell me who will pay for this." While the government and the representatives of the farmers are in talks, it looks like public figures are getting involved in this unfolding situation. What the final outcome will be and how this will impact both the farmers and those supporting them remains to be seen.
मैम थोड़ा आगे है ना मैम. करीना जी मैम थोड़ा आगे है. करीना मैम थोड़ा आगे है ना प्लीज.
Bebo is a superstar and a fashion icon, but when it comes to her son, little Taimur, she is a protective mama just like anyone else. Kareena was spotted with her son as she visited her mom Babita Kapoor, and watching her hold on to Taimur protectively melted our hearts just a little bit. Kareena was spotted with Taimur as they stopped by her mother Babita Ji's home. After an extended Diwali break in the hills, Kareena Kapoor Khan is back at being a mama on the go. The actor has been shooting for ad films and filming episodes of her chat show and of course making fashion statements when she makes public appearances. Kareena, who has set new fashion trends even back when she was pregnant with Taimur, is making many fashionable appearances with baby number 2 as well. Take a look.
करीना जी मैम थोड़ा आगे है. करीना मैम थोड़ा आगे है ना प्लीज.
Though she had swapped her heels for comfy pink chappals, Kareena was still in the outfit from her shoot and seems to have picked up Taimur directly after work and reached her mom's home to unwind. Joining Kareena and Taimur were his young cousins Inaya, who came with father Kunal Khemu, and Masi Karishma Kapoor, who was also accompanied by her son Kian. With lockdown restrictions lifting, Kareena has often been spotted spending quality time with Taimur and accompanying him to meet his cousins. Bebo has always managed to strike a great balance between work and family life, and the actor, who recently had an extended holiday with Saif and Taimur in Dharamshala, is completing all her work assignments before it's time for baby number 2 to arrive. But before she enjoyed some pampering at her mom's home, Kareena was spotted in yet another chic maternity look as she arrived to shoot for the next episode of her chat show.
मैम इधर मैम यहाँ पे. करीना जी यस मैम. या मैम परफेक्ट.
Bebo looked lovely in a dark grey full-sleeve turtleneck dress. She added a belt to highlight her cute baby bump and paired the dress with black sleek heels. Kareena kept her hair and makeup simple, allowing the pregnancy glow to shine through. The actor, who has set style statements even when she was pregnant with Taimur, seems to be going for a more relaxed and casual vibe this time around and has been spotted in comfortable maxis, kaftans and dresses through her pregnancy. Bebo, who is quite active on social media, also shared a cute video of herself in pink athleisure and showed off her baby bump. It was adorable to see Kareena pose with her baby bump, who had rather cutely accompanied mommy to work and helped her look as fabulous as ever. Kareena also wrapped up work recently on the much-awaited Lal Singh Chaddha in New Delhi and will begin work on the magnum opus Takht after baby number 2 is here. We know that Bebo will be back on set very soon, doing what she loves and entertaining us for many decades to come. Well, दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere. We're coming right back. It's now time to take a look at our special story for the day. Happy birthday, John Abraham. The handsome hunk and fitness icon turns 48 today and remains as good looking and super fit as can be. John has been a model, an actor, and is now a successful producer as well. Here are some unknown facts about the star, including the secret behind why he and Bipasha Basu broke up after being the it couple in Bollywood for almost 9 years. John Abraham started his career in the media and entertainment business as a model. After working in music videos and ads, John won the Gladrags Manhunt contest, cementing his position as one of the best-looking men in the country. But did you know that the actor also worked as a media planner before ditching it to pursue a full-time career as a model and actor? He briefly attended acting school before stepping into Bollywood, and over the years has been a part of many commercially and critically successful films. The actor made his debut in Bollywood with Jism, which also starred the gorgeous Bipasha Basu. The movie was a success, no thanks to the many romantic scenes between the actors. Pyar ki acting karte karte, John और Bipasha fell in love off-screen as well. The couple, who was one of Bollywood's best-looking jodis, remained in a seemingly steady and committed relationship for 9 years before calling it quits. Their breakup caused much grief to their fans as well, and we only came to know many years later why this much-in-love jodi decided to separate ways. It seems that 9 साल डेट करने के बाद Bipasha शादी करके settle होना चाहती थी, but John wasn't ready to commit to a happily ever after with her. Apparently, Bipasha decided that she couldn't wait any longer, and since they wanted different things from their lives, it was best for them to part ways. But despite this setback, John's career continued to flourish. John's good looks and charming smile made him the perfect choice for films like Dostana, Garam Masala, Desi Boys and Race 2, and sensuous films like Paap and Madhoshi. Over the years, the actor has changed tracks to become an almost exclusive action and thriller film specialist, choosing medium-budget, high-concept films that have a dedicated audience. The actor has also ventured into production under the banner JA Entertainments and is the force behind films like Vicky Donor, Madras Cafe and Parmanu. But while his choice of films may have changed, his obsession with fitness hasn't. Even as he turns 48 today, John still has one of the best physiques in the business. The actor often shares images of himself working out, and safe to say, the ladies can't help but find him irresistible. Here's wishing our OG handsome hunk a very happy birthday. We can't wait to see you flex those muscles back on screen again, John. Well, दोस्तों, उसी के साथ हमारा आज का एपिसोड यहीं पर खत्म होता है, but we will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out our Zoom Facebook page and stay updated with your favorite celebrities. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, ciao.